Day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, June 1st, almost halfway done with the year. Where are we going and what's the word of the day? Well, the word of the day is going to be non-farm payroll because that's the most meaningful economic report of the whole month in the United States. And we're talking about the U.S. stock index future contracts for our comments. Now, have said that, we could have used Greece. We could have used OPEC. We could have used the FOMC. And when will they raise interest rates? These are all things making the volatile stock market in a big wedge or trading affair. Where are we for the year? After a 5-year bull run, we're only up 1%, and we're in the 6th month of the year. So we've been up, we've been down, we've been up about 4 or 5 or 6, 7%, and we probably haven't been negative at all. But we've taken back all our gains, and now we're only up 1%. Have we topped out? That's the big question. Will the Feds raise interest rates in September or really this month? I doubt it. That's my opinion. Don't quote me on it, but that's my opinion. I don't think that they're going to raise rates this year at all, but that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that they're lowering rates and stimulating in Europe. I think that China is stimulating, and I think that it would be hard to move that sector, i.e. America, interest rates, and make it a wider range where we're raising rates and they're still trying to stimulate their economy. Now, have said that, you got to take into one other account. And why am I talking so much about this? Because the stock index futures love not to raise interest rates. It seems when we have dovish talk, the market rallies, and when we have hawkish talks from the Feds, we kind of pull back a little bit. So you got to spend a lot of attention on what the Fed will do. We have to pay attention. At the end of this week, we have a Greece probably deadline on the haircuts and what's going to happen and will they be kicked out or not. I don't think so. Again, that's my opinion, but I don't think so. I think that it's going to be kick the can down the road. You've heard that over and over again. And I think that last week and the week before, I used the word of the day as water. Least resistance would be up, and I still believe that. And just to show you I believe that, I'm going to give you some technical points of view. Points of view are on the way up. We're around 2090 would be your pivot area. 2110 in the June contract would be definitely slightly bullish, and the target would be 2140. Look at your chart and you'll see what I'm talking about. On the way down, if we can go under 2082, I would be slightly concerned. A test of 2060 in the June contract is not out of the question and would not scare me, but a close under 2043 would put the bears in control of this big trading affair. And that's all I have for you today. Good luck and good trading. Please. Trading futures or option on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.